Welcome to the channel, and thank you for joining today. In this video, we are going to learn how to manage your privacy settings on the VK app. Controlling who can see your profile information is important for keeping your account secure. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. After opening Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Once you are in the Privacy section, click on Who can view main information, My profile, and tap on it. You will see 5 options available. They are all users, friends of friends, all friends, only me, and certain friends. Finally, choose the option that best fits your preference. As soon as you select it, your privacy settings will update instantly. By following these simple steps, you can easily decide who is allowed to see your profile information on VK. This helps you stay in control of your online presence and protects your personal details. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.